Do you want to change the note color on Instagram? You can get colored notes on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To change notes color on Instagram, first, update the Instagram app to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store to access the new feature. Once updated, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Now, tap on the message icon at the top right corner to go to the chat screen. At the top of your chat list, tap on your note or leave a note to start adding a new note. A new screen appears with different options. Now, long press on the text box where you write your note. A color palette will appear at the bottom of the screen. Choose your desired note color from the available options. Now, type your message or note in the text field as usual. Once you're ready, tap on the share button to post your colored note. Your note with the selected color will now be visible to your followers or close friends, depending on your settings.